Hello folks, this is Eliud. So here I'm gonna show you or walk you through this wonderful little programming in Python that just prints hello world. But we use a class to do that, and it shows that here I created a class and we use the keyword class in Python to create a class, and we name it however we want it to be. And then we create a method that prints hello world. And in Python, to create a method, we use the keyword of def, and then we name our method, and then we just print hello world. And here in this part right here, we initialized our class, and then here we call the method hello world, and if we run it, it prints hello world. And you can enhance it however you want to be, but this is our little program.